place, so we have tangent 4 theta minus tangent square theta equals to 0.
Yeah.
Right, so so you can replace, right? So to visualize it better, so you can say tangent theta, let tangent theta equals to x, and then we solve this equation, tangent to the 4th minus tangent square equals to 0. So we can factor x squared. Then we have x squared minus 1 equals to 0. Then what else we can do? We can factor x squared minus 1, right? So it's a difference of squares. We have x squared, x minus 1, x plus 1. Good?
Yeah.
So equals to 0. Then, right? So we have x equals to 0 or x minus 1 equals to 0. So 3 cases, right? We have or x plus 1 equals to 0, right? So we have x equals to 0, x equals to 1, or
X equals
to negative 1, right? So, or x is tangent, right? So tangent theta equals to 0. When? And now we remember the tangent is
sine over cos.
sine over cos, right? And it equals to 0 when sine equals to 0, when numerator equals
Not
0.
cos.
Huh?
Not cos.
Why not cos? If
Undefined.
cos equals to 0 in this case, what do we get?
1.
No, we had it last time.
Undefined.
If the numerator equals to 0, so then fraction is undefined because
Undefined. Yeah.
why it's not why it's undefined? Because we
You can't define
not
it by
allowed to
0.
divide by 0.
Okay. Got it.
That's why tangent equals to 0 only when sine equals to 0. And sine equals to 0 when?
Here. At 0,
0?
360, and
At 0. When else? Pi.
180. Yeah, pi.
Right? Pay
Radian.
attention on domain.
Pi.
Domain is in radians, right?
Yeah. So 0, pi, and 2 pi.
Pi and 2 pi, right? 2 pi is included because it's less or equal. So 2 pi is included in the answer. Okay, that's case 1. 2. X equals to 1, so tangent.
So sine is equal to cos.
Sine equals to cos when? And not.
So that's at 60 degrees. I forgot the.
Not 60 degrees, at
here.
45, right? Pi over 4.
40, yeah. I was looking at it. I thought, yeah,
Pi over 4. And what else? Here, right? Because they both negative.
Yeah. 5 pi over 4.
5 pi over 4. Yes. And
Okay,
third
and
case,
negative.
tangent theta equals to negative 1, right? So it means sine and cosine have opposite signs, right? So where? Here and here, second and fourth. So what angle?
The angle is 230. No, sorry.
Not 230. It's again reference angle 45 degrees, right? We remember reference angle 45. In the second quadrant, it will be 180 minus 45, 135, right? So we convert it to radians.
That is,
So pi over 4,
yes,
2 pi
3
over
pi?
4, 3 pi over
3
4.
pi over 4, yes.
So theta equals 3 pi over 4. And where else in the fourth quadrant?
330,
No,
Alright.
330, it's 7. Right?
Yeah.
3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4. Does it make sense?
Yes,
So our answers, what do we have? We have 0,
pi over
pi
4,
over 4,
3 pi over 4,
3 pi over 4,
pi,
pi.
5
Then we
pi
have
over 4,
5 pi over 4,
7 pi,
7 pi over 4,
and 2 pi.
and 2 pi. Do you have such answer?
Yeah, it's D.
D.